Most people ask the wrong question. They ask which roof is better, shingle or tile. Really, the right question is which roof is most likely to fail on my specific building. Because when roofs fail, they don't fail cheaply, they fail expensively. Shingle and tile are not competitors. They solve different problems on different buildings with different circumstances. When people compare them head to head, they often ignore the things that actually matter. Things like structural capacity, maintenance needs, repair access, long-term ownership plans. That's how bad roofing decisions start. From a planning standpoint, shingles are pretty predictable. Installations are straightforward, repairs are relatively simple, and problems are easy to diagnose. And here's an important truth. Shingles rarely fail because of the shingle. Usually it's related to rushed installs, poor attention to detail, or lack of maintenance. When shingles are installed correctly and properly maintained, they function exactly as designed. When they're treated as disposable, oftentimes they don't. Tiles look impressive, there's no argument there, but tile systems can be a little more demanding than shingle roofs. Tile roofs require proper structural support, high quality underlayment, and long-term maintenance planning. Here's what we see all the time. The tile will outlast the underlayment, but when the underlayment does fail, the repairs are slower, more invasive, and more expensive. Tile roofs typically don't fail gracefully. They fail when shortcuts made show up years later. If this breakdown is helpful for you, please like and subscribe to our page. We try to focus on helping property owners and managers avoid mistakes before they happen. When we evaluate shingle versus tile, we don't start with materials. Really what we do is we look at the building's design, how it's actually being used, what the realistic maintenance needs are, and what the long-term ownership goals may be. There is no universal one-size-fits-all best roof. There's only the best roofing system for this given building. If you're choosing between shingle and tile, don't start with appearance. Start with consequences. The right roof isn't the one that looks the best on day one. It's the one that has the least amount of problems over the life of the building. And that's how we look at roofing, trying to help people understand and avoid problems.